COVID-19, a pandemic that has affected nations across the globe and has been challenging even for the most developed countries. Such an outbreak plays a stimulus role in bringing to the surface the shortcomings prevalent particularly in the health and economic system. The impact is magnified in developing economies, and Balochistan is not an exception. Rather, its situation is compounded due to lack of fitting health infrastructure in far-flung areas and scattered population. BRSP, Balochistan Rural Support Program, with its community-engaged infrastructure and historic contribution during natural calamities, was obligated to play its role in assisting the public sector and communities to overcome the challenges faced due to this pandemic. UN OCHA stepped in through PHPF, Pakistan Humanitarian Pool Fund, and provided financial support for humanitarian response to COVID-19 in Balochistan. BRSP became a natural choice to implement such a project due to its surge capacity in providing assistance during crisis. 4 districts, Quetta, Pishin, Chagi, and Qila Abdullah were identified for humanitarian interventions due to the high rate of COVID-19 spread.
मैं मशकूर हूँ यूएन ओचा का कि जिन्होंने इस बड़े क्रिटिकल हालात में जो कोरोना है, इसकी जो सेकंड वेव है जिसमें पॉजिटिविटी रेट 12% है, इसमें उन्होंने बड़ा कॉम्प्रहेंसिवली सपोर्ट किया और हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के साथ मिल के हम काम कर रहे हैं.
Capacity building of healthcare providers on infection prevention and control was carried out by the WHO certified trainers to mitigate transmission of COVID-19 to these frontline personnels.
We had this need. We, like a healthcare provider, we had to know about this disease and about the causes of this disease, how to prevent this disease. So it was a very beneficial workshop for me as well.
Due to lack of information and lower literacy, most people remained oblivious of COVID-19 standard operating procedures. To raise awareness, 150 community resource persons and 150 lady health workers were trained as advocates who conducted awareness sessions in communities, promoting measures to prevent spread of COVID-19. Messages on gender-based violence, sexual and reproductive health were detailed in community strategy. In addition, informative material was distributed during the sessions in the communities.
बहुत ज़्यादा खौफज़दा थे पहले, लेकिन अब आज ये हमारा मतलब ट्रेनिंग जो हुआ है हज़राबाजी की वजह से, तो अब में काफ़ी मालूमात मिली है कि हम किस तरह से कोरोना से महफूज रह सकते हैं.
Beside awareness raising activities, personal protective equipment, including face masks, hand sanitizers, thermal guns, gloves, and soaps were distributed to 144 health facilities, public schools, and during the mass gathering on Ashura and Eid Milad-un-Nabi. Hand washing units were also installed at all targeted healthcare facilities and public schools for personal hygiene.
जब कोविड-19 के केसेस हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे थे और हमारे पास चीज़ों की कमी भी थी, प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट्स की और हमारे जो स्टाफ है उनकी ट्रेनिंग्स की, तो इस हवाले से जो BRSP की इंटरवेंशन हुई है उसने बहुत कुछ हमें सपोर्ट दिया है. ख़ास करके जो PPE किट्स हमारे स्टाफ को मिले उनके हवाले से वो प्रोटेक्ट रहे और काम के दौरान, और उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया.
For the continuity of health services in Balochistan during COVID-19 pandemic, an innovative approach was adopted to address issues related to maternal, newborn, and child health, keeping in view high maternal mortality rate. 4 telemedicine centers were established in targeted districts, which were equipped with ultrasound, audio-visual equipment, BP apparatus, testing kits, furniture or fixtures, and an uninterrupted connectivity. Lady health visitors were trained at Dr. Najma Ghaffar Hospital, specialized in telemedicine services for gynae and obstetrics.
हमने यूएनएफपीए की सपोर्ट से एक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट की पोजीशन जो है वो हमने सिक्योर की और उसको हमने ये चारों सेंटर्स को हमने नजमा गफ़ार हॉस्पिटल उसके साथ जो है कनेक्ट किया और जो कि 24/7 जो है सर्विस जो है वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
DRSP ने भी ये टेली हेल्थ का जो हमारे 4 शुरू किए हैं सेंटर, उसमें जो हम टोटल कंसल्टेंट हैं इस वक्त काम कर रहे हैं वो 10 ऑन बोर्ड है जो हमारे हॉस्पिटल में एज ए प्राइवेट कर रहे हैं। उनमें जो है 3 पीडियाट्रिशियन हैं जो सारे FCPS हैं और 7 जो है ना गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट हैं। तो मेन मकसद है इम्प्रूव द एंटीनेटल केयर and decrease the maternal mortality rate and perinatal neonatal death rate.
اول دفعه چې په دې لکه کې درنګ ډاکټر چې موجود نه وزمش د خاص علاج نه کې مش بلیر بازار لتللو لیر بزمج علاج کې ډېر درنګ څوک وو چې د لیر تک د وجه سباغت لای نسلو نو چې دی هر څوک ګرد د لیر راځي ګرد لکه ولا د لیر راځي ول د ډاکټر سیدرا په ولن باندې ښه چیک اپ کوي ډېر مش ګرد لکه ولا ډېر مطمئن یو ګرد خوشاله دي چې د اوس مش تار شي سہولت مش د لیر موجوده دي نږدې راته موجوده دي اوس دې مش لیر نه زو.
PCR kits and other supplies were provided to the provincial screening lab at Fatima Jinnah Chest Hospital for COVID-19 screening.
इस वक्त हम जिस फेज से गुजर रहे हैं उसमें टेस्टिंग में अच्छी खासी हमें मदद चाहिए, particularly from the BRSP and the UNHR और जो वो कर रहे हैं.
BRSP's projects which were funded by UNOCHA, those have been really helpful in this area and hopefully they will do more for this area.
The project was implemented successfully, achieving all its objectives. But it does not end here. Public being well aware and better equipped will surely slow down the spread. But with the second wave of mutated strain, additional measures may be required. Efforts need to be continued, as the vaccine for COVID-19 may take some time to reach the general public in Balochistan. Learnings from the past 6 months have better prepared our teams and have strengthened the resolve to continue providing support to communities to mitigate the effects of COVID-19.